We are on page 8 of 7.5C, Geometry Packet. Mrs. Houston has two similar recycling bins. Ooh, similar, meaning proportion. In her office. The dimensions of the smaller bin can be found by dilating the dimensions of the larger bin by a scale factor of 0.75. So the dilating part you may not understand, but scale factor we've used a lot. This is also called my shortcut. So proportion time. This guy matches with that guy. We want to know X and Y. That is extra. I don't know why that's there. Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't have the time to look. Okay, matching sides. So I'm going to do large, ratio, and this will be the small trash can ratio. Then I have labels of yellow, and I have labels of squiggly. Okay. Oh, I don't even know why I did that. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, let's do it. 10. And then the yellow small is called Y. And then squiggly is 14. And over here is X. Now, why did I do that? I'm not really sure, except it still works. Because it's saying that if I multiply by 0.75, I'm going to get my answer of these numbers. So I'm just going to do 10 times 0.75, and I'll do it that way. Remember, multiplying by 10 just moves my decimal over, but either way. 0, 0, 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 0, 5, 7. The rule says I've got two numbers after my decimal here, 0 here. So I need two numbers there. That becomes 7.5. That is the measure of Y. For X, I have to do the same thing because it says I'm using a scale factor or shortcut of 0.75. So multiply by 0.75. Now I'm going to do 14 on top. Why? Because I can. Same thing. You can line it up like it's just multiplying by 75 if you want to. 5 times 4 is 20. 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9. 0. 15 and 10. There are 0 numbers after my decimal here, 2 numbers after my decimal here, so I need 2 numbers after my decimal there. That is what is equal to my X value. So let's look. Y, 9.25, no. 6.5, no. So 2 choices there, and then the X has to be 10.5. My answer is J. Okay. 37 says the two triangular prisms shown below are similar. So similar, and it gives me the name triangular prism. Similar means proportion. What is the value of X, the height of the larger prism? So we're looking for that. Okay. Corresponding sides would be this guy and this guy, because it's not even flipped around. It's very easy to see that. And then this guy and this guy. That's extra. Okay, this is extra. I don't really need it. Okay, proportion. I'll do small and large. And remember, this is not the only way to set up a proportion. You could have done yellow or blue. Okay, I'm going to do yellow here. I'm going to do blue here. Ignore that 8. This is for my page number. So yellow small measures 8. Yellow large measures 10. Blue small measures 4.8. These darn decimals. And then blue large measures X. Okay. Okay, this is about 2 to 1 ratio. I'm guessing my answer is close to 5. Oh man, there's a bunch of close. Okay, I have to solve. 8 to 10 is not easy. Okay, multiply. This is easy though. If I multiply by 10, that just moves my decimal over once, so that's 48. And then this is 8x. Oh, that's nice. 48 divided by 8. 8 goes into 48. How many times? 6 times, even though I hate 8s. That's my answer.